I'm just trying to see if I can get my Wi-Fi back on. But I'm just trying to see if I can get my Wi-Fi back on. But here it's saying my Xbox 360 is showing suggestions right now. So I'm just trying to see if I can. Okay, but it's okay though. I don't know what's going on here because when I played it, it says my console can connect to your my wireless network. Visit xbox.com wireless help. I'm gonna be. This is gonna be a long time. I'm trying to see if I can. This is gonna. I'm trying to see if I can. I'm trying to see if I can get it, but look, see, look, see that? There's a problem here. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna have to. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to get somebody down here to fix this. Either one of my friends or one of my family members. I'll see about that. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get there. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure something out. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna figure something out. So I'll be right back. Well, not really, but I'm gonna try something now. Okay, see y'all later. Cause I'm trying to see if I can get this. I don't know why the hell this. Oh, I don't know, but I'll find out.